Mastering, look, phrasal verbs. A look into their multiple meanings. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive deep into a fascinating topic, and it's all about the phrasal verbs with the word, look. There are numerous ways we can use look in English, and it can completely change the meaning of a sentence. So, let's unravel the mystery together. First things first, what is a phrasal verb? A phrasal verb is an idiomatic phrase consisting of a verb and another element, typically an adverb or a preposition. It's essential to understand that the meaning of a phrasal verb might not be directly deducible from the meaning of the individual words. And that's what makes them challenging but also fascinating to learn. Moving on, let's focus on the phrasal verbs with the word, look. They can have quite different meanings depending on the preposition that follows, look. For instance, look up, look into, look over, and look after, all phrasal verbs with look, but they each have distinct meanings. Let's break down each of these examples. Look up. This could mean to find information in a book or a list, or to improve a situation. For instance, I didn't know the word, so I looked it up in the dictionary. Or, things are finally looking up for her. Look into. This means to investigate or explore something. For example, the detective will look into the case. Look over. This means to review something briefly. For example, please look over the report before the meeting. Look after. This means to take care of someone or something. For instance, he looks after his younger brother. The best way to get a grip on phrasal verbs is through practice. Try to create sentences using these phrasal verbs in your daily language usage. You could even create your mini stories using as many look phrasal verbs as possible. Thank you for joining us in today's journey of look phrasal verbs. We hope this video has been helpful and that you now have a better understanding of these versatile English phrases. Remember, don't be discouraged if you don't get it right away. Practice makes perfect. Keep looking up new phrasal verbs and their meanings. Until next time, keep practicing, and happy learning.